morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about social distancing, and today I have my dad and my little sister here. So let's get started. Daddy, what's been your least favorite part about social distancing?
I guess the worst part about it is being able to go out and do the normal things that we're used to doing, spending time with family and friends, just going to the store with some kind of normalcy. You guys going to school, us going to work, not being able to, you have to go stand in line early to get some groceries.
Yeah, all the lines.
And I guess that's the worst part about it, but there's some good parts about it too.
Yeah. Emma, what's been your least favorite part about social distancing?
Will be like my work. It's kind of harder now because my teacher's not going to be able to be there, like sit me down and like step by
Really
step
explain it to
and go teach me a certain way.
Okay.
To add to Emma's
Issue with learning.
issue with she has a learning disability with just like a lot of kids in school, and she's used to having that personal interaction with her teacher that they set aside for her to learn to help her move along, and she doesn't get that personal interaction.
It's tough for kids to learn, especially if they're used to that and they don't have it. It's harder.
Right. She's not used to working on the internet and doing videos and
Yeah,
stuff like
she's used to
that.
having the teacher on the board, write it down for her and tell her exactly how to do it.
Exactly.
But there's got to be some good to it. So what's been everyone's favorite part?
Oh, that I get to go at my own pace and not like a timer saying like, oh, we get like this certain amount of minutes.
You get a certain amount of days to do it. Like for us in high school, we get from Monday to Sunday to do all of our work. But for y'all have like the whole day to do
Friday
it. Yeah. Daddy, what's been your favorite part?
Being home and being able to try to complete a bunch of
Different projects
different
around the
projects.
house.
Right.
Yeah.
That's been the best part about it. So
Well, do y'all feel online learning is just as effective as being in the classroom? Do you feel like we're getting the same content?
I think, again, like you said, if you're used to that sort of interaction and that sort of learning through that sort of media, then I can see where it's effective. But from one day to another,
Yeah.
Say, hey, we're going to start doing online
It
classrooms.
takes some getting used to.
It takes some getting used to, and I don't think everyone's still in the swing of things, of how it works, not only for students, but for teachers.
Yeah.
Teachers, they're not used to doing this either. And lesson plans and handing out assignments, and grading work, so it's really different for kids, students. Of course, you have, like your oldest sister, she's in college and she does a lot of online classes, so she's used to it.
Yeah.
It's nothing different for her, but you guys, it's not.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah. All right. Well, that concludes our interview. Thank you all.